right. This is Irene. We're out at the ranch, and this is the garage doorway, which is too small. So Bodhi is planning on actually enlarging it, and for that he's using some, he's getting some steel pipes with which he's going to frame out a new larger door. And we dropped him off over there in the woods, and he's using the four-wheeler to drag them into the temporary garage setup. They're big and heavy. So here's where they're dropped, and here's how Bodhi's dragging them back to the garage over there. A lot easier than carrying them. All right, it's all been moved. So lots of heavy metal to widen this door right here. That's the plan. Because right now, you really can't fit anything but a four-wheeler through there, so it needs to be quite a bit wider. And we'll see how that goes.
Okay, so what I'm actually doing with the metal is, look at this roof. Right? This is a big, heavy concrete roof. Now, if it was just a concrete roof, I wouldn't be too worried about it. But it's not. It's also the floor from the story above us, which has another concrete roof on it. So the point is this stuff is heavy. At this point right here, at this corner, that is the end of the support of this wall until this corner. All right? So, obviously, this 5-foot span was okay, but we're going to be putting in a 12-foot span, which means there'll be that much floor and the wall above it and the ceiling above that that's not being supported. So what we do is we take those great big round steel pillars and we put one in each corner. Now, I'm going to take a Hilti, which is a big drill that'll drill through concrete, and with that Hilti drill, I'll drill a hole, just a little hole, nothing special, but that will allow me to know how thick this floor is. If it's 6 inches or thicker, then we're good. We just set those in place, bolt everything up, and it's fine. However, if it's 4 inches, which is what I fully suspect, if it's 4 inches, then what we have to do is, my wife, the camera lady, if it's 4 inches, then that's not enough. And the pressure pushed on it over time will cause the flooring to crack, which will release the hold that it has on the floor above it and cause long-term problems. So, if it's not thick enough, I will cut out a square of this concrete, remove it, and then it'll be nothing but dirt, right? Then I'll take a big auger and I'll drill a big hole about 3 feet deep, right? And then once I got that hole, I'll fill it with concrete, smooth it out, and now I have a secure 3 foot of good hardened concrete to give the proper support that that ceiling is going to need. And at that point, then I can safely go in here. Once both sides are supported like they should be, I can safely go in here and I can just get rid of this wall, put up my garage door. That's when I'll come in with the square tubing and I'll build a little framework. Probably won't even use it actually, I'll probably use wood, but anyways, that's the deal. Pickle.